Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the most confusing and most important topic from contact lens. Hydrogel and silicone hydrogel. Which one we should advise someone, which one we should not advise, in which condition we should advise. So we'll discuss each and every point. So please watch this video till the end, then only you can understand each and every point clearly. And at the last I'm going to discuss some questions which will going to help you at the time of when patient asks you which contact lens should we take, or why this much of price difference. So I'm going to discuss about that questions, and it will help for your interview purpose also. So let's start. Before we start any topic from contact lens, first we should know about Leonardo da Vinci first. He produced the first known sketches that suggested the optics of human eye could be altered by placing the cornea directly in contact with water. He is known as a father of contact lens. So first, soft contact lens introduced in 1959, and it's introduced by Otto Richel. This led to the 1971 launch of first FDA approved soft contact lens in United States, and silicone hydrogel first introduced in 1999, then marketed by United States on 2002, and custom made manufactured silicone hydrogel introduced in 2010, that's also by United States. Let's come to the main point. So original contact lens materials were impermeable to oxygen, which led to negative clinical outcomes like corneal swelling. After vast innovation and researches in materials technology have led the development of hydrogel to silicone hydrogel. So we'll make you understand in next points. So you can see this second point. Hydrogel materials generally meet the open eye oxygen requirements for avoiding corneal swelling, while silicone hydrogel materials typically exceed the oxygen levels needed for avoiding corneal swelling during closed eye condition. So I'll give an example against this point. For extended wear contact lens, we are using only silicone hydrogel material. We never use a hydrogel material for a extended wear contact lens because of this point number 2. So let's come to point number 3. Silicone hydrogel lens dehydrate less than the hydrogel lens. Dehydration of the hydrogel lens can reduce oxygen transmissibility, which may increase the chances of hypoxic complication. So we'll give a example against this third point. For dry eye patient or who wants to use contact lens for a long time like 15 to 16 hours, we should not advise them hydrogel contact lens, because due to the dehydration they will feel irritation, redness and some discomfort after 8 to 10 hours. So always we should recommend them only silicone hydrogel contact lens. So in this point you can see hydrogel lenses use water in lens to transport oxygen, but silicone hydrogel lens use silicone molecule chain to transport oxygen. In very next point you can understand this thing. Hydrogel lenses has higher water content. Why? Because they use water to transportation of oxygen, but in silicone hydrogel you can see they are having low water content because they are using only silicone molecule chain. So you will able to see in hydrogel lenses there are higher water content, and silicone hydrogel lenses have a lower water content. And the last point we can see most commonly studied contact lens deposits are tear protein and lipids. Hydrogel contact lenses accumulate high level of protein deposits and low level of lipid, while the reverse trend has been found in silicon hydrogel contact lens. This is the main disadvantage of silicon hydrogel contact lens. Let's come to the questions round. What is the difference between hydrogel and silicon hydrogel contact lens? So please go through the full presentation, then only you can understand very well. What type of contact lens is recommended for dry eye patient and why? So I explained everything. What type of contact lens is ideal for extended wear? So I gave example. Who is the father of soft contact lens? Please note this thing. Don't confuse with who is the father of soft contact lens and who is the father of contact lens. Father of contact lens is Leonardo da Vinci, and father of soft contact lens you can go and check over there, then you will get to know. When these lenses are introduced means when the hydrogel and silicon hydrogel lenses are introduced. Hydrogel lens is 1959 and silicon hydrogel is 1999. What are the advantages and disadvantages of hydrogel and silicon hydrogel lenses? Thank you so much for watching this video. Suppose if you like this video, you can do like and subscribe, and if you do not like this video, then you can do dislike also, and please write if you have any queries in our comment section. Thank you so much.